Hi everybody, it's Lisa here again from Matis, South Africa, and today I'd like to tell you about one of our products called Relax Eyes. Relax Eyes is an anti-fatigue treatment that treats dark circles and bags around the eyes. Daily application of Relax Eyes is going to visibly reduce the signs of puffiness and dark circles. We use peptides, matcha tea extract, as well as silk tea extract, and a combination of active ingredients to reduce the signs of puffiness and bags around the eyes. Now, due to sleep becoming less and less restorative, due to the daily use of laptops, tablets, and cell phones, even the nights appear to be shorter. This is accelerating the aging process, and we need a product like Relax Eyes to come to the rescue. So, how do we apply? Stay tuned. The application of Relax Eyes. You need to do this twice a day, both morning and evening, every single day for best results. Enjoy using Relax Eyes.